Welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Here at the Handyman Special House, I'm just going to talk a bit about this foil tape. This is tape to put on your ductwork, not duct tape, but aluminum foil tape. So up here, let me focus on this a little bit, move close. So up here you see the gaps around here. That can be serious air leakage. Now, you're not going to get a lot because there's no back pressure here, but if you look over here, right up in here, you can see lots of openings, and those openings can leak out a lot of air. Alright, so in my last house, when I did the basement, I found a couple of really big spots. I know in my crawl space, there's a spot where the pipe is off. It's just completely off. So I've got to fix that, but I haven't been there yet. So anyway, this foil tape, you kind of push it up and around with the backing on it. There's backing that you have to take off. So it's a little tricky. I'll try to do this somewhat well. See, I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it around here. Alright. So, try to separate the backing. Part here. So make sure that you press firmly on it so that you get the maximum amount here, and try to feed this up. You're not going to be 100% on everything, but try your best. It makes a big difference. Alright, so here we are in the crawl space. You can see that it has some screws here, right? Some screws there, so those joints are good. But up here, you see how that opens? This whole thing moves. You can see there's no screws there. So how much heat is actually making it to where it should be? Anyway, so go over everything with the tape. So at my last house, I used this foil tape in my basement. It's a little bit bigger than this house. My basement actually went down 5 degrees in temperature. So that's just sealing up all the gaps. And we had one spot where they had, I think it was like a 5-inch duct going into a 6-inch pipe. And there was just like a big gap that went all the way around it. It wasn't screwed together. It was this giant gap, and it took me like 3 or 4 pieces of tape, and I had to snip it and try to bring it together to cover it all so it didn't leak. But there's lots of little air leakage areas around here, and it adds up. So over the course of all your duct lines, you think about all that air that's not going to where it should be. So that's what this foil tape is for, and that will help you get your heat where you want it so that you're not cold in your house. All right, thanks for watching.